In this new series, ordinary day moments unfold into comic chaos as everyday tasks misfire with playful energy. Viewers meet a cast of cheerful neighbors and coworkers whose small slips spark big laughs through clever misdirection. From kitchen capers and mistaken deliveries to prankster pets and harmless blunders, each clip stacks suspense with punchlines. The narration stays light and fast, guiding viewers through cleverly staged yet relatable mishaps that feel unexpectedly authentic. By spotlighting the most watched oops and tricks, the episodes build a bright, binge-worthy trail of smiles.